Sup pro viewer. Today we play airplane and why am I tall? Okay, we on plane. B10 is my seat.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 5071. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence.
Lol.
Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
What will the crew give?
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy.
I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo.
Deal with it.
Oh no. Quickly, we need to find Retrosha 777's baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage storages above you.
I found it.
Phew, that was a close one.
Imagine being allergic to mayo.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
How do you stretch leg in such small space?
It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Guys, look, what is on the right wing?
What?
You will not survive.
Oh hell nah.
Are those snakes?
Oh hell no!
Guys, there is an open restroom. Quickly, we will be safer there.
Where? We survive.
That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening.
Power is back up.
Is monster still here?
The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy.
Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop from over your seats. Take one quick.
How do you run out of oxygen on a plane? Lol.
This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels.
Oh my god. What is this?
What?
It looks like a bomb. Oh no.
Where? Okay, everyone, calm down. Lol. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save VV05 to 116. Let's go.
I found a pair of scissors.
Where?
Which cable should I cut?
I will cut the blue cable. Okay, good.
We did it. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay.
The captain room. Open up. Where are the food people? I found them. They are unconscious. They are having a nice sleep.
We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. It's locked.
Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble.
Oh no.
It's the creature.
You will pay for what you've done. You think you are here on accident, but you're not.
What did I do?
I brought you here, all of you.
That is not possible.
It is, and now, it's time to die.
How will I die? Where did he go? The captain is unconscious. El Captain.
The plane is falling. What are we going to do now?
We need to find the autopilot button.
Click everything and find that button before we die.
I found the button.
No one asked. We did it. We saved the plane.
It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already.
For real, for real.
Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone, so we can call for help.
I know where it is.
Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on.
Okay, we've traced your location, and we are taking control. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track.
Me.
Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain.
Okay, everyone, I got this. Oh hell nah.
Oh no, it is back.
You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance chicken nugget straw. Crash this plane, and we will rule the underworld for eternity.
I will do it. I'm not doing it. I pressed yes.
You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me.
It's gone.
Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up.